So Unit 3 for first year. Unit 3 is straight lines. From straight lines you will get one 7 marks question, one 4 mark question and two 2 marks questions. Anyhow we will discuss the weightage after completion of this unit. Now, or you can have now. So total 15 marks you can score from this one. So the formula, many formulas are there, whatever necessary formulas for doing the problems I am taking here. Because lot of syllabus is cut off, so I will give you some questions in serial numbers that you can easily do and you can submit to me. Now this one, for 14 formulas, you have to be very perfect in this one, perfectly by heart this one, write each problem, each formula 10 times and practice it. Then, what are the formulas? I'll read out because writing is slow, you can check this one. First one is area of triangle formed by straight line with coordinate axis. If I'll ask you, find area of triangle formed by coordinate axis, you have to tell me. Find area formed by straight line with coordinate axis. You should tell me delta equal to c square by 2 mod ab. What is that area practically? When x-axis and y-axis, on graph paper you might have saw that one, x and y-axis. If I draw one line, I am drawing one line, but that line makes some area with coordinate axis, this area. To find this area made by coordinate axis with the line is taken by the formula delta equal to c square by 2 mod ab. Few of them will find by half mod ab by finding a and b also, but we will use that formula c square by 2 mod ab. How to apply that one is you will get in next video once you by heart these things. Then next one is equation of a line when intercepts are given. I'll ask you when intercepts are given, what is the equation? You have to tell me x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Then equation of line. See, if I'll ask you this one, equation of line when slope and point is given. When slope means always slope, whenever slope word is there, m you have to think in your mind. And point x1 y1 is given, that time y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1 you have to consider. Distance between parallel lines. If I ask you if two parallel lines are there, these are the two parallel lines, what is the distance between them? This d. So what you have to tell me, distance between parallel lines c1 minus c2, modulus of c1 minus c2 by root over a square plus b square. And what is the modulus of this one? You will get to know at the time of the practical thing. Equation of line when 2 points are given. Equation of line when 2 points are given, y minus y1 by x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If I ask if two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 or M1 equal to M2, means their slopes are equal. When if I will tell you, if two lines are parallel, if these lines are parallel lines, that means the slope of first line, the slope of second line, both slopes will be equal. Why we are using that one, how to use is a different part. First thing is, whatever things are there, whatever formulas I am giving to you, you have to be perfect in that one. In the next video, you will get to know how we will apply this one practically. If two lines are perpendicular, if I will ask you one line, other line, they are perpendicular to each other. Means if two lines forming 90 degrees between them, those lines are known to be perpendicular line. This one or this lines. So if what is the condition? If two lines are perpendicular, they are making 90 degrees. Their product of slope means first line slope, second line slope. If we multiply them, the answer will be minus 1. Then we can say that they are perpendicular. So if anyone asks you if two lines are perpendicular, what is the condition? You have to tell product of slopes, m1 into m2. Into means product. Product of slopes. Slopes means m1 and m2. Product of slopes is minus 1. Or m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. Or in simple words, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. Ratio in which L divides x1 y1 and x2 y2. A line dividing 2 points. If I'll ask you like that, if a line divides 2 points, how a line divides 2 points? If a line is there, this is a line, 2 points are there. If a line divides 2 points, what is the ratio? Means L11 is to L22 minus of L11 is to L22. Now slope. 3 formulas of slope. First, slope of a line y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of a line again minus a by b. Slope of a line again tan theta. Why these 3 slopes? Suppose if 2 points are given x1 y1 x2 y2, means suppose 1 comma 2, one end is 1 comma 2, second end is 5 comma 3. If I want to find the slope of this one, how can I find slope when 2 points are given? This formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then what is the slope of line second line? If you have a line but points are not given, you will get equation like this. Equation of line. This is equation of a line. If a line does not have any square values, x power 1, y power 1, that is known to be a line equation, linear equation. Linear means it does not have any squares. It has only degree 1 to it. Okay. If we are finding slope of a linear equation, this is a, this is b, this is c. We can use this formula, slope of a line minus a by b. This is also slope of a line. Why we will take y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1? Because points are given. First is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. You might have done in 10th class. Slope of a line, and slope of a line is minus a by b. This is also slope of a line which makes angle with the x-axis. Suppose one line is there, it makes an angle 45 degrees. What is the slope of this line? We don't have equation, we don't have points. We have only angle made by x-axis. That time you should take m equals to tan theta. Points are collinear. Points are collinear is given to you. That time you have to write area formula and equate it with 0. Or slope of AB equal to slope of AB. Product of perpendicular. Or we can have single line, slope of AB equal to slope of BC, you can remember. Or area equal to 0. Any one formula you can read. But now you have to learn both of them. If I ask you midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB means if a line is there and center point, bisector. If a point where the line is getting bisected, that point is midpoint of AB. Suppose this is A and B. So you can have x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Similarly, length of perpendicular, if I ask, you have to tell me modulus of x1 plus b by 1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. If you are good in this, then regularly you will get classes. I want everyone of the group must and should complete this one. Write 10 times and upload the pictures of this one. Then only I am going to post the next video. Many of them just taken the admission and they are not at all following any of the video. From here onwards, if they follow, they can get this one. Because this is very difficult unit, easiest unit. Don't make it difficult by not learning these formulas. See, everything is easy. You have to follow some things. Faculty can teach you something. So both if you club that one, then only the thing you will get understand. So to understand those things, what you have to do? You have to by heart this one perfectly. If you want to learn this one genuinely, if you want to learn, you have to be perfect in all these formulas. Then we are going to complete this unit within a week.